Good morning, my friends. How are you today? It's Monday. We are gonna do some learning together. We are still doing our theme of bugs and blooms, but today we have a new story to look at and some new letters. Let's get started. Today I have a question for you. It has two different flowers to look at. One is a sunflower and one is called an iris. Think to yourself, which flower of sunflower and iris do you like better? And you're gonna tell me nice and loud. 3, 2, 1. Oh, thank you for sharing. I don't know, this is difficult too. I think of those two, I like sunflowers because I like to eat sunflower seeds, and those come from a sunflower plant. Thanks again for sharing. Okay guys, before we start getting into letters, we're gonna take a look at this right here. This is a diagram of a flower. Can you see that, Addie?
Yes.
Alrighty, I'm gonna label the parts of this flower. There are 4 parts we're gonna focus on. We're gonna focus on the flower. This part we've been talking about, the stem, the leaf, and the roots. The roots are what's underneath the soil. The flower makes the seeds for the plant, and the flower can come in all different shapes and sizes. The stem, that part, stores and holds food for the plant. The leaf, the green parts that are coming off, make food for the plant to eat. And the roots, the part that's underneath the soil, they attach the soil and hold the plant to the ground. The roots also take water from the soil for the plant to drink. Have you ever grown a plant before? Oh, neat. If you haven't, there's always time. What does a plant need to grow? We talked about this a little bit last week. That's right, it needs sunlight, water, and soil. Great. Does a plant need food like us? It does. It needs nutrients and things that it pulls from the soil, and that's how it eats, just like people. Great job. So again, one more time. We have the flower, the stem, the leaf, and underneath the soil, we have the roots. Awesome, awesome. Okay, guys, we have 2 new letters today. Let's see if you know this one. I'm gonna show it to you, and if you know it, shout it out as loud as you can. Ready? I heard some of you say it. This is letter C. Letter C, and there's a word that starts with C right on the front. That's a cat. C makes the sound k. And I want you to make like a cat paw, and when we make this sound, we're gonna make our cat paw kind of scratch. You ready? K, 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 k. You can feel air coming out of your mouth and touching your lips. Try it again. Good job. Listen to me read a sentence with lots of k sounds at the beginning. Curious cats use claws. All right, do it with me. K, k, k. Fabulous. Okay, let's see if you know the next letter. Oh, I heard it. It's an H. You're right. H is kind of a quiet sound. It's only going to be mostly breath coming out of your mouth, okay? Let's try to make this sound, and with our, we're gonna pretend there's a hat on our head, and we're gonna make this sound together. It's almost like you're, like the food's hot. So you're only gonna make sound with breath coming out of your mouth. Listen again. Good job. All right, listen to me read some words that start with happy, horses, hop, hop, hop. Let's make the H sound again. Great job. And you remember what we're gonna do next. We're gonna do itsy bitsy spider, but just with the sound of these letters. So we're starting with letter C. Let's do it together. All right, now let's do it again, but we're gonna do it with the H sound this time. Ready? Wow, that one was pretty quiet. Those are our two letters. One more time. This is letter C. Good. And this is letter H. Awesome. Okay, guys, before we get started on our new book, let's talk about those 3 vocabulary words we've been working so hard on. This is a picture of a part of a plant. It is not the flower, it is not the roots, it is not the leaves. What is it pointing to? The stem. Say stem. Good job. The stem is the part of the plant that holds up the flowers. All right. Oh, look right here. This part grows off the tree. What are they called? Branches. Good job. They are called branches. They hold the leaves and the fruit of the tree. And what is this? Oh, you guys all knew that one. That is seeds. Say seeds. Good job. Alrighty, guys, let's get started with our new book. This book is called, the title, this title is written vertically. That's a little bit different. Waiting for Wings. That's the title or the name of the story. The author or the person who wrote the story is Lois Elhert. And if you notice, this is a very colorful book. We're not going to read the story today. We're going to walk through and take a look at the pictures and kind of predict what we think this story might be about. But just by looking at the front of the cover of the book, what do you think the story is going to be about? Oh my goodness. Those are some great guesses. I heard some of you say maybe it's about flowers. Somebody else said butterflies. I do see pictures of flowers and I see pictures of butterflies. Those are 2 really good clues as to what this book could be about. Let's open it up and see what's inside. You're gonna see some sticky notes inside. That's just for me to help me remember some questions that I wanna ask. So here's the title again, Waiting for Wings. Let's look inside. All right, I'm gonna move my sticky a little bit. There's like a purple flower over here and some leaves with little blue dots. I wonder what those little blue dots are. They look like they could be blueberries or polka dots, eggs. Wonder what those are gonna be. Let's turn the page again. Oh look, now there's like little yellow dots and that same purple flower. Still lots of beautiful flowers and leaves. Excuse me. All right, look right there. Oh, and look right there. What do you think happened? Why does that leaf have holes in it? Oh, thank you for telling me why you think the leaf has holes in it. I wonder if the caterpillar was munching on that leaf, because now there's a caterpillar and there's a leaf with holes in it. That's interesting. Over here, so I see a yellow striped caterpillar, an orange and black caterpillar, and a green caterpillar. I wonder why they look different. Let's keep looking. Okay, that's kind of strange. Look at this caterpillar. It looks like it's hanging. Why is it hanging? Interesting. Oh, I don't see any caterpillars anymore. But I do see like something green over here and something brownish and something purple over here, and they're hanging from the tree. That's interesting. Look, those things are hanging, but it looks a little bit clear. What do you think is happening inside of those things? Oh, I can't wait to read this story and find out why those are hanging from the trees. Oh, wait a minute. Now I don't see those things hanging from the trees anymore, but I see something else. things hanging out in the flower garden? Oh, butterflies. You're right. Oh, look at these beautiful butterflies. Are these all the same kind of butterflies, or are these different? Yeah, I think they look different too. The flowers and the butterflies seem to like to stay together. Like the butterflies like the flowers. I wonder why. Wonder what the flowers have that the butterflies like. Do you know what the flowers have that the butterflies like? Those are some good guesses. When we read the words tomorrow, we're gonna see if that's what the butterflies like about the flowers. Oh my goodness. So many butterflies and so many flowers. Look at all of those colors. I love the bright colors. And then here's one more picture, and I think this kind of shows all the different types. So now that we took a peek inside of this book, we have an idea of what it might be about tomorrow when we actually read the words. I'm excited to see what this book is about, and I'm excited to learn about butterflies. So that's all we're gonna take a look at for today. What I would love for you to do is I want you to come up with a butterfly all by yourself. It does not have to be black and orange. It does not have to be yellow and black. It can be whatever colors that you love. I just want you to make a very colorful butterfly and put whatever you want on there. And if your mommy or daddy or grandma or whoever you're with today has time, if you could send it, I would love to see what it looks like. All right, guys, will you help me sing the goodbye song together? Ready? Adios, amigos. Goodbye, my friends. Hasta la vista until we meet again. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful night. Bye.